Hello and welcome. There's a very simple way to solve this fourth root equation. What we are going to do is that we will replace the fourth root of x plus 27 with 2 plus d. And we will replace the fourth root of 55 minus x with 2 minus d. Now, there are a few things to notice before applying this substitution. One, notice that 2 is exactly half of 4. So it makes things easy if we have an even number here. 2, notice that 2 plus d plus 2 minus d is equal to 4. So this has to be addition. And finally, notice that here we have plus x, while here we have minus x. Now, from this substitution, we have that 2 plus d to the power 4 is equal to x plus 27. And from this second substitution, we have that 2 minus d to the power 4 is equal to 55 minus x. Now, let us add these two equations. On the left-hand side, we have 2 plus d to the power 4 plus 2 minus d to the power 4. And this is equal to x plus 27 plus 55 minus x. Of course, x minus x is equal to 0. So on the right-hand side of this equation, we have 82. So ultimately, we now have to solve the equation 2 plus d to the power 4 plus 2 minus d to the power 4 is equal to 82. Now, to find the values of d that satisfy this equation, let us start with this first expansion. When we expand 2 plus d to the power 4, we have 2 to the power 4 plus 4 times 2 to the power 3 times d to the power 1 plus 6 times 2 to the power 2 times d to the power 2 plus 4 times 2 to the power 1 times d to the power 3 and finally plus d to the power 4. Now the expansion of 2 minus d to the power 4 is very similar to the expansion of 2 plus d to the power 4. The only difference is that we have alternating signs. So here we have 2 to the power 4. Here we still have 4 times 2 cubed times d. Here we still have 6 times 2 squared times d squared. Here we still have 4 times 2 to the power 1 times d cubed. And we still have d to the power 4. Now you know that we need to add these two expansions. We have 2 of this. So 2 times 2 to the power 4. Now plus this minus the same thing is equal to 0. So this will cancel. We have 2 of this. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So we have 12 times 2 squared times d squared. Once more, plus this minus this is equal to 0. We have 2 of this. So we have 2d to the power 4. And of course, this plus this is equal to 82. Now, these 4 terms are all multiples of 2. So let us divide through the equation by 2. Here we have 2 to the power 4 plus 6 times 2 squared d squared plus d to the power 4. This is equal to 41. And from here we have d to the power 4. 6 times 4 is 24. So plus 24d squared. Then we have 16. Bringing 41 over to the left-hand side, we have minus 41, and this is now equal to 0. (16 minus 41 is minus 25 plus 24d squared plus d to the power 4 is equal to 0. We can solve this equation by factorization. Let us use the table method. What are the factors of d to the power 4? We have d squared times d squared. What are the factors of minus 25? We have 1 and minus 25. Or rather, since this is positive, let this be minus 1 and plus 25. D squared times 25 is going to give us 25d squared. D squared times minus 1 is going to give us minus d squared. And of course, 25d squared minus d squared is going to give us 24d squared. So when we factorize the left-hand side of this equation, we have d squared minus 1 times d squared plus 25 is equal to 0. And of course, from here, we have that either d squared minus 1 is equal to 0, from where d squared is equal to 1, or d squared plus 25 is equal to 0, from where d squared is equal to minus 25. But now you know that the square of a real number cannot be negative. So this second value of d squared is unacceptable. And taking square root of both sides of this equation, we have that d is equal to plus or minus 1. Now to find the values of x, let us go back to this substitution equation. We have that the fourth root of x plus 27 is equal to 2 plus or minus 1. This is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3, or 2 minus 1 is 1. Now to get rid of this root, we raise both sides of this equation to power 4. Now, of course, this is going to cancel that, and we have that x plus 27 is equal to 3 to the power 4, which is 81, or 1 to the power 4, which is 1. Now, from here, we have that x is equal to 81 minus 27, or 1 minus 27. X is equal to 81 minus 27 is 54, and 1 minus 27 is minus 26. So we have two values of x, 54 or minus 26. Now let us check our answers. When x is equal to 54, here we have the fourth root of 54 plus 27 plus the fourth root of 55 minus 54. 54 plus 27 is 81. 55 minus 54 is 1. The fourth root of 81 is 3. And the fourth root of 1 is 1. And of course, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. And when x is equal to minus 26, here we have minus 26 plus 27. And here we have 55 minus 26. 27 minus 26 is 1. 55 plus 26 is 81. The fourth root of 1 is 1, and the fourth root of 81 is 3. Once more, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.